Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Welcome my YouTube family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen. Yeah, another day in our kitchen. First and foremost, big up Father God. So today, I'm going to share with you how I make my baked chicken. Yeah, so we're not talk too much, we're going to just jump right into it. This is the chicken I'm using leg quarter for my baked chicken. Now I'm going to wash it with white vinegar and lime, okay? So now I'm washing the chicken. I already clean it. I already cleaned the chicken. Some fat leave back on it. You don't want to, when you're doing baked chicken, you don't want to cut off all the fat, okay? Because you don't want your chicken to dry. The fat is going to melt the juice to keep the chicken moist, okay? That is why I don't use chicken breast to make baked chicken. Alright, so now you're gonna wash it. And you're gonna use cold water to wash it, people. So you rinse off this water first. You rinse it off first. Alright. I'm gonna add white vinegar. Is this one. Now we have a lime. Squeeze the lime. You want to make sure you use the lime and rub off the chicken skin. Okay? You don't want your chicken to raw when you cook your chicken. So you always wash your chicken properly. I'm gonna always start that in all of my video. Wash your meat properly, okay? See these fat, don't cut off all of the fat off of the chicken. This gonna melt. With the seasoning, it's gonna melt and keep the chicken moist, okay? You have some people go through, cut it off, but don't cut off all of it. I'm talking from experience, I'm not just talking. Alright my people, so this is the chicken after I wash it. So now we're going to get the season them together, okay? So put this over here. Alright, start the season process. I'm going to list the ingredients in the caption. So first, onion powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder. 1 tablespoon onion powder. Garlic powder. 1 tablespoon garlic powder. Oh, make a mess. This gonna have 2 tablespoons of all-purpose season. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose season. You could use the season of your choice. If you're interested in the season, just leave a comment and let me know if you're really interested in the season. This season I'm using. I use half tablespoon of black pepper, just like that. Alright, we're gonna mix the season together. Yeah, this onion powder and garlic powder, very powdery, yo. Look like flour. Alright, so now we have it. This over here, so. Alright, we're gonna add all of this to the chicken. I'm gonna tell the people the season is not salty, okay? Yeah, purpose season not salty. Me make it. Alright. Follow ahead. 2 tablespoons of blend green season. You could get the recipe for this green season from my website, okay? In the ebook in my website. Some pimento berry. For the coloring, I use some grace browning. Just to color out the chicken. Alright, so we're gonna rub in the season in the chicken. And when you're using grace browning, don't use too much, okay? Because you don't want your chicken come out too dark. Just like this. See how this look good already? People. Wanna make sure you get the season underneath the skin. Pop the flavor in it, you know? Okay, so I'm going to transfer the chicken to another bowl. So I'm transfer the chicken to this bowl. Make sure you scrape out all of this season on top of the chicken. Just like that. Alright, so we'll take off them gloves here now, garbage. Now I'm going to seal this with aluminum foil. So now we're going to leave it in the fridge, put it in the fridge for 2 hours. After 2 hours, we're going to start the cooking process. Alright my people, so after 2 hours I take the chicken out the fridge. So now I'm going to add them to the baking tray. Just like that. Well seasoned, you know. Alright, we're going to add all of this season on it. I already have my oven preheated at 375 degrees, so now we're going to bake the chicken for 30 minutes. Alright, so now we're going to pop the chicken in the oven, okay? Just like that. Alright my people, so now I'm going to make the sauce for the chicken. To brush on the chicken. So I'm going to start off with some olive oil right there. Just a little bit of olive oil. To the saucepan, we're going to add some onion, and this is half of an onion. Don't want it burn. Just want to caramelize out the sweetness. I'm going to add some garlic. And this is like 3 cubes of garlic. Now I'm going to add some fresh thyme. I picked the thyme leaves off the stem, so I'm going to add some fresh thyme. It's all about the flavor. Now I'm going to add some cherry tomato. You don't have to use cherry tomato, you can use regular tomato. 1 tablespoon of green season. The green season have everything in it. It have the scotch bonnet pepper, it have everything in it. So now I'm going to add the juice from the chicken inside of this. All of the juice from the chicken. All of it. Now I'm going to put back the chicken inside of the oven. Alright my people, so now I'm gonna add some all-purpose season. Roughly a teaspoon of all-purpose season. I'm gonna add some ketchup. Make a mess, that's all. Alright, I'm gonna add some ketchup. That is like 2 teaspoons of ketchup, 3 teaspoons of ketchup. 1 measuring cup of orange juice. I'm going to add some grace browning. Just like half teaspoon of grace browning, not too much, because you don't want the sauce too dark. Just like that. So that's the color we're looking for right there. So the ketchup gonna thicken up the sauce. Go allow it, make it come to a boil, then we go blend it out. So you're not supposed to have no lump when I finish it. Alright my people, so now that the sauce come to a boil, we go blend it out. We'll blend out all of the seasoning. Alright, so that is it. Now I'm gonna allow it, make it go and simmer down to get out the tanginess from the ketchup. So you have to allow it, make it continue to simmer to get out the tanginess. So I'm gonna leave it for like 15 minutes on low heat. Alright my people, so the sauce is ready now. Go take out the chicken and I'm gonna brush on the sauce from the chicken, okay? And then put it back inside the oven for another 5 minutes. I'm gonna base it with the sauce now. Yo, it smells so good. So this is how it look my people. I'm gonna put it back inside the oven for extra 5 minutes. So the cooking process is 35 minutes at 375 degrees. Some oven burn better than some, so it might cook faster in my oven, or your oven it might cook faster. So you have to just check your chicken temperature. Alright, I'm gonna pop this inside the oven, then the rest of the sauce to eat with the chicken later on. Alright my people, the chicken is finished, so I'm gonna pull it out the oven. Look at this. Look at this. Alright my people, so we'll go for a taste test, okay? We'll start with that one here. Well hot. Alright. Put this to the side. Alright, so now we're gonna cut the chicken shortly. Look at this my people. It's very hot. I tell you, you should try this recipe, yeah?
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.